Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to decrease the volume on an Anker Soundcore Bluetooth speaker. So here we have the Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. And all you need to do to turn it on is press the power button here, and you'll see this steady white light indicating it's turned on, and a blue flashing light here indicating it's looking for the Bluetooth, and when it goes steady like that, it will have connected to the device. Now there's two ways to change the volume. In this case we want to decrease it, so we press the minus button on the top of the speaker, and as you can see on the phone it decreases the volume. Now if you pick up the phone you can decrease the volume with the side buttons or whatever device you're using. You can see here it indicates with a little Bluetooth icon on the volume. This is showing it's connected to the Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. So that's two different ways how to decrease the volume on an Anker Soundcore Bluetooth speaker.